Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to our English learning series with friends. In today's lesson, we are starting episode 2. So we will study natural English phrases that people use every day. So without any delay, let's get in. So the first phrase is Ross says, I don't want her to go through what I went through. It means he doesn't want Rachel to suffer like he did. You can use this when warning a friend about something hard. So go through is a phrasal verb meaning to endure or experience something challenging. For example, she went through a tough year. Chandler says, I am guessing that he bought her flowers. It means he thinks that is what happened. You can use this when you are not sure but want to guess. So I'm guessing is softer than I think. It shows a tentative opinion. For example, I am guessing traffic will be bad today. Ross says things change. It means life moves on. You can use this when something is not like it used to be. So things change is used to accept life's reality. It can express sadness, wisdom, or even comfort, depending on tone. Again, Ross says, I really appreciate it. It means he is thankful. You can say this when someone helps you. I really appreciate it is more professional and polite. For example, I really appreciate your support on this project. Again, Ross says, that's a lot of information to process. It means he needs time to understand everything. You can use this after hearing big news. So, process means to absorb or digest information mentally. For example, she needed time to process the news. Excellent job. You just learned 6 useful phrases from episode 2 of season Friends. Remember to practice all these sentences and join me in part 2 for more phrases. Let's subscribe our channel, like the video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.